Hey Rose, so today I'll be unboxing and setting up the Bose Quiet Comfort 45 headphones. I can't believe this is my first official unboxing video. Bose website for $216 and some change. It's originally $199 right now. I don't know how long their sale is for, but I got it for sale. They just charged me tax, that was all, but that's about it. So yeah. So what's in the box is the headphones, carry case, audio cable, USB-C, I'm gonna go over the features. I'm just open the box because I'm ready to open it. I am so ready to open it. I'm so happy. And it came earlier than expected. It was actually supposed to come at like 2 to 6, but it actually got delivered to my house at like 1:40 something. But my cousin got it for me. Thank you to him. And let's get into it. Oh, hold on. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Look at the headphones. Let's get into it. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I'm trying to get all the... Oh, that was horrible, rep, but horrible rep. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. The first unboxing is always a rough one. I really can't believe that messed up, but it's okay. This is insane. Trying to make sure the camera angle is proper. Press play, pause. Press play, pause the rest. That's what it says here. Cue the music, start here. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I can't believe I got these headphones. And next will be my new camera. Look at the case. The case is nice and soft, y'all. Like, nice and soft. I just love how soft it is. And it's really small. Like, I want to know, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Look at this compared to my head. I need my phone to pair the thing. Hilarious, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all. Look at the color. Look at the color. And you have a matching, I'm scared to touch it. You have a matching. And I'm trying to get down and not scream. But oh my goodness. I can't believe I have these headphones right now. And I can't wait to use them. Because what? And look at how they match my computer. Like, oh my gosh. Headphone cable. I'm taking these out. Oh, they smell so new and fresh. Oh my goodness. And this is the cable to charge it, of course. Oh my goodness. I just need to sit it down for a minute. I just need to sit it down for a minute. I'm gonna take off this phone and use it to pair the mic. Rolling. And then the camera will still be rolling above. As you can see, we have a lovely top-down shot. So let's just... So we have the app here, the Bose app. Just look how pretty it looks. Set up new product. Headphones and earbuds. Oh, gosh, it's making sounds. This is such an amazing color, yo. Oh, ready to connecting. This is so cute, but like, oh, look at this. Pair. Getting ready. I don't know if y'all heard that, but what? I just put lilac, I guess. Product tips, controls. To learn more, I'm gonna screenshot this and I'm just go through play and pause. Press the center button to pause your music right here. On the right air cup, change the volume, the plus and minus arrow. Skip forward, double press the center button. Keep an eye on the app inbox for news, tips, and product updates. It's 70%. Okay, y'all. It is 70%. It's 70%. And it has you know a song I need to listen to with this? Do you know what song I'm about to pull up? I'm about to pull up the Vibes playlist. Do y'all see what I'm playing? Okay. We're gonna do a sound test real quick. So let's read the features and then I'm gonna do everything else. But the features are noise cancellation. That noise cancellation works, in my opinion. These are louder than my AirPods, and I bought these to replace my AirPods. These damn AirPods? No. See that? Replacing. I am very much replacing this because these are back up. But let's go to features one more time. They have a wear mode, aka transparency mode, and you create 2 additional modes as well. Battery life of 24 hours or 15-minute charge gives you 3 hours. Adjustable EQ via the app, voice assistance, optional cables. As we can see, this is so cute. Like, can we like look at this, please? Like, I'm putting this all in my purple pouch with all my electronics. Okay, and do y'all see my computer and my purple? Oh, the light. I need to be. I was crying because. Anyways, putting this in my lovely purple pouch that has all my necessities. A purple charger. Like, y'all, if my Anchor charger that I just bought came in this purple, y'all, I'm so happy. Then I have all my other knickknacks in here, and my other drive for work, an adapter, a plug. This is going in here because I won't be using that. And then a charger, which we'll be using. So, but I have a lot of USB-C chargers, but obviously I'm only going to use this. I'm sorry, I didn't even. Look at them. My hair look a little frizzy today, but oh well. When my hair laid down and I put these bad boys on top of them, I'm like, girl, that color looks great. The color looks great on you, and I can't lie, y'all are literally a little muffled, and like a little bit, like I can hear it, like, yeah, but y'all. I'm about to go jam out with my headphones. Thank you so much for watching. I love you girls. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Keep manifesting. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for the end of support. I have more videos to come.